Hey there, welcome back to another Flutter development video. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with API calls in their Flutter Web projects. So, let's jump right into it. Problem. So, the problem arises when using GetConnect for API calls in a Flutter project, specifically when running the project on Flutter Web. The issue occurs due to a conflict in setting the content type header, which results in a 415 unsupported media type error. This error can be quite frustrating, especially when the API calls are working perfectly on Android and iOS devices. Solution. But fret not, I have a simple and effective solution for you. By adjusting the way we handle the content type header in our API provider, we can ensure that the API calls work seamlessly across all platforms. By making a small tweak to the provider class and setting the headers conditionally based on the platform, we can avoid the duplicate content type header issue on Flutter Web. This solution not only resolves the 415 unsupported media type error, but also ensures consistent API call behavior across different devices. So, by implementing this solution, you can now confidently make API calls using GetConnect in your Flutter Web projects without encountering any pesky errors. Remember, a smooth development experience leads to faster bug fixes and more time for coffee breaks. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your favorite Flutter pun. Until next time, happy coding.